Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my smoothie preps for the week. So basically I'm going to show you my breakfast smoothies and my smoothies for lunch. Those are my Ziploc bags that I dated, as well as writing which one's for lunch and which one's for breakfast. You know, when you freeze something, sometimes you can't really see what's in the bag out the freezer, so I marked them. So first we're going to get into the lunch one. I'm going to make the lunch ones first. You're going to add your oatmeal. You guys, you can switch these fruits up however you want to. You don't have to use the fruits I used, and you can use different kinds of fruits in your bag. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of black chia seeds to the freezer bag. Next, I'm going to put a handful of arugula down into this bag. I'm using arugula because that golden melon was actually kind of sweet. I added a half a cup of golden melon and a half a cup of pineapple to the bag, and that's it. Ziploc it, ready to go. Now let's move on to breakfast. I know I'm going through this pretty fast, but it is what it is. I'm only going to use strawberries, watermelon, and spinach here because I don't like the heavy stuff in the mornings. So I keep breakfast pretty light. So I go down in the bag with the spinach. Next I go with the watermelon. And then I go down in there with the strawberries. And that's pretty much it. Take the air out. Ziploc them all. As you can see here, you're going to see that I have coconut water here and lemon juice. I put a half a lemon in every single one of my smoothies. So what you'll do is you'll pull a frozen bag out of the freezer, whether it's breakfast or lunch. You're going to add a cup of liquid, which I'm using coconut water. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, or regular plain water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And you blend it up, and that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and simple, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye guys.